How to hide followers on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To hide followers on TikTok, you will require to private your account. If you don't know how, start off by launching your TikTok application in your device. Then click on the profile icon that would be in the bottom right corner. Now to private your account, head over and click on three horizontal line that is in the top right corner. Head over to settings and privacy. Once you are in here, click on the privacy option. If this toggle button is in the left hand side, this means the private account is turned off and you are actually on public account, which means anyone can get access to your content as well as your profile and your followers and following list. Now to private it up, just tap on the toggle button and you'll be able to private your account. Once you do so, now the public will not get access to your content or your followers and following list. However, the follower on your TikTok can still access to your following or your follower list. That's it for this video as well. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.